Today we'll take a first look at the FuriBee X215 Pro from Gearbest. Welcome back to the channel, guys. Today we're going to take a first look at this FuriBee X215 Pro quadcopter. Comes with some props, which we're going to need a bunch of. I don't think these are the highest quality props, to be honest, and I'm pretty sure I'm going to end up swapping these out for my Dal props, but we'll give them a try as shipped and see how it works. Came packaged plenty well. Inside we have a 3D printed, I don't know whether that's, actually that is not 3D printed, I take that back. That is molded. Really cool mount for my GoPro Hero 5 session. We have an antenna, a battery strap, and nothing else. Distinct lack of any instructions, spec sheet, or anything. I consider that a little bit of a fail right up front. Truthfully, I think they could honestly at least ship a little bit of a spec sheet with it. The thing we note here is it's for FrSky. This comes as a bind and fly, so what I'm going to do is we're going to bind this to my Taranis X7 and give it a try as shipped, and hopefully it'll work out good. Taking a look at the quad itself, we have flight control stack, video transmitter, PDB, all kind of crammed in this heavy aluminum case. I really do like this style of quad. It is hefty, it does add some weight, but I've seen the other reviews on these and they seem to be very durable, so we're gonna find out. On the back we have a buzzer, very cool. It's the first quad that I've ever received that comes with a buzzer and LEDs that we can program in Betaflight to do whatever we want, and I think we'll do a comprehensive video on that. Very nice wide angle camera lens that sits behind the aluminum frame. That is cool. That means when we crash into things, we're going to hit the frame, we're going to hit the metal first and not smash our lens and not smash our camera off. We do have to tighten that up. We're going to pick about, I don't know, probably 30 to 45 degree angle on this. This is going to be a pretty aggressive flyer. It's a 2600 2206 motors on it, non-branded, nothing crazy there, and a pagoda style antenna. This is kind of catching on a little bit now. I haven't used one of these, and truthfully the propagation pattern seems like it'll be okay on this, but we'll have to give it a try. I suspect I'm probably gonna be swapping it out for one of my TBS Team Black Sheep stubby antennas, but heck, we're going to try it as shipped. It does seem, oh, it's rigid. Actually, I don't like that. It's way rigid, to the point where as if I smack that hard, I'm gonna probably break this carbon fiber cross member before I actually bend this, but it is sheltered by the props and the frame, so I guess we'll see. Down underneath the FrSky receiver is the VTX, the video transmitter, and this is a 25 to 600 milliwatt video transmitter, so it should do just about everything we want to do. I don't know whether it has pit mode or not. We're going to have to give it a try and just see. And it seems good. The build quality is, I like it. I really do. And if we zoom out, this frame is bloody rigid. I like it. I really like it. It's a 4mm carbon frame, which is like, I'm pretty sure it's 4mm. I guess we could put a measure on that. If I'm wrong, I'll note it down below. I like it. I think we're going to have to find out and just test the electronics. I've seen some videos online have some problems with some video disturbance and stuff. I guess we'll just see how it works out of the box. There is a new version of this already. I'll put a link to this one and the new version down below. I think there's been some issues with the new version too, and some issues with this one, and we'll just see. It's like anything, guys. You just got to try it out. But overall, This thing is light. This is gonna be a fast quad. The only other thing left in the box is a battery strap. Truthfully, I already don't like it. Comes with a metal buckle. I don't much care for that. It may look good, but it's big and nice and conductive and likes to short things. I don't like metal buckles on my battery straps, so we're gonna ditch that and switch it for another one right off the hop. I don't know. We're gonna give this a go, and I'm gonna check out the beta flight settings and give this a try. One thing I already noticed as a fail, it doesn't come with any battery anti-skid stuff on the bottom here, as well as that kind of cruddy battery strap. So we're gonna go ahead and we're gonna fix this. All my batteries I run with a with Velcro on my lipos. So I think what we'll do, we'll go ahead and clean this up with a little bit of rubbing alcohol, and then just give it a little wipe here. It feels clean, but nah, we'll get it nice and perfectly clean. Once that flashes off, we'll just go ahead and we'll stick some of the hard side of the Velcro to the bottom of the quad. I put the loop side on my batteries, and I prefer to put the hook side on my planes and quads. And it doesn't need to be perfect, just something to keep things from sliding. I wish they would have given us some of like that nitrile rubber, something anti-skid on here, because we shouldn't have to do this as a consumer. A little bit of a fail there. I'm going to do a follow-up on this and do all the rest as a standalone video, I think. We'll just do this one as an intro. Good luck in all your ventures, guys. Click a thumbs up on this video if you like these content and like playing with new quads and stuff. And I'll bring you some new stuff, and we're going to have more giveaways and all kinds of fun coming up. Glad to see you guys again. Cheers.